I'm Justin Olato.
I'm Sebastian Barron.
I'm Cesaria Chertoff.
I am Justina Ixten. I am Angelica Wood. I'm Juliana Rose. I am Matthew Molestana.
I'm Martina Theo.
Dime, ikaw video bin.
Oh my gosh, you would explain everything. Here,
Ikaw
Mario
video.
might be right. Seriously? No way. Not your first. What is first sausage flavor?
Let's go that way.
It always matters. Birds are like seeds. You'll never know what they'll grow into. Make sure you say sorry to Ariel, okay?
Let's go the thing, guys.
Yeah. I'm really sorry, Mother. You were wrong. I was wrong. I was just curious. But I know that things will not be okay. You know, usually it's not just an excuse. Never ask anyone to understand me anyways. You know, just go. I get that now. And I promise you that I won't fake you. I'll be better. I'm really sorry for that.
Ah.
Let's go the thing, guys.
It doesn't matter that we were wrong. We should accept that. We should change attitude against her. Later on the Halloween.
Hey, what happened, Mario? Why are you crying again?
I know. Gina, right?
Gino referred to me! Can you believe those girls? Spying lies about Mario? Yeah, Gino and Mario do songs around me.
Someone should teach them a lesson. Maybe the people think that they're not so pure either.
Ooh! We should tell them to go to the bar, some exotic shit. Hey, stop. Wait, a streamer rumor? Bet they hate that!
Yeah, they did someone that we're close. Now let's see how it eats.
I heard Jennifer talk about at night. Yeah, someone told her to the
Huh?
Get it out of here. People are saying we're strippers now. Seriously? We did that to Mario. Now it's You okay, Jenna? No, everyone's thinking we're someone we're not. It's on nothing, Maria. So, you know, it feels. I do deserve this. Of course not. We don't deserve this. Not even the ones who started the lie. I guess you're right, Maria.
Stripper!
The following day, at the school auditorium.
other. So, good morning, students. This week, we've seen the danger, assumptions, and rumors can bring. Again, this is a reminder. Gossip is not a justice. We must stop the cycle. Respect starts when we stop talking for others and start listening.
Unless you're a stripper.
Boys, please be quiet. Marielle, please come here and share your own thoughts.
Let's go, Maria. Let's go, Maria.
Some people make stories about me, then someone make stories about them. All of it are not true. All of it just hurts. You know, when only cycle breaks, just someone to choose.
I love you for the thousand.
Boys, it's not a joke.
Hurt people, but healing begins with someone brave enough to stop the cycle.
This is the story of how misinformation and disinformation can lead to a serious problem, or worse, danger. Not just the individual who was the victim, but as well as the one who shared and their close ones. So the part 1 shows how a student was accused of being pregnant. Unintentional guesses or misinformation can also lead to a serious problem. While on part 2, there is a group of guys who shared or who spread a false issue about those group of girls, and it brought them a serious problem. Again, a reminder, be careful with the words we share. Stay connected with verification and true content. That's all. Thank you for the third reporter.